Hello everyone, this is an analysis, a long-term analysis for Ripple XRP cryptocurrency. I'm going to be using the monthly time frame. Why am I going to be using this time frame on Ripple cryptocurrency? Because this is the strongest impulse ever for this cryptocurrency. Okay, this is one of the major cryptocurrencies together with Ethereum and Bitcoin. And what usually happens is after such a strong move, we're going to see signs of bearishness of price action. And as you can see in the monthly time frame, after that strong impulse that started for Ripple in last November 2024, Ripple rallied, broke all-time highs, and automatically after such a strong impulse of about almost 1,000%, which is like crazy, okay? Well, take profits must happen. That's always the same. So after a long, very large move, bullish move, we expect this, okay? So what happens? Now on the monthly time frame, we can see a bearish piercing pattern formed in February 2025. This is an analysis for April 2025, and we're expecting Ripple to drop down there at around 0.7, something like that, around these areas over there, from where we could start buying long-term coins for or Ripple cryptocurrency. Okay, so on the way down, you can use smaller time frame, short-term cryptocurrency strategies. But for now, you can see very strong move, and after that, we have the dark cloud cover, very piercing pattern. We can see these large bearish wicks pushing. There's a lot of selling pressure for Ripple cryptocurrency, and it is heading south. And in February, this low was broken on the left from previous year in December, and in April 2025 we can see another low printed, okay, trying to reach that area of demand. Obviously, in the smaller time frames, you can trade Ripple in 1 minute time frame if you want, 5 minute, 15 minute. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about long-term investment to hold your coins for long-term, for many weeks. So this is what we are expecting for Ripple cryptocurrency. So we'll see what happens. On the weekly time frame, you can see also this is the strongest impulse ever. Okay, that starts around 0.66, 0.70 more or less. And after such a strong rally, you can see now how these bearish candles, I mean, they are pushing lower and lower with a low, another low on the weekly. But if you aren't aware of these bigger time frames, you might be losing the bigger picture for Ripple cryptocurrency. So we're expecting this. It might reverse from here, obviously, and break all-time highs again. It's not what usually happens, but it could happen. And here, definitely long-term longs for Ripple to hold for many weeks and months. So let's see what happens for Ripple cryptocurrency. Now Bitcoin is rallying without reaching that weekly demand level that we've been talking about for some time. Okay, and this is helping, as you can see, this is helping Ripple to rally a little bit, but then Bitcoin might start to drop again and then drag Ripple with it. Okay, so let's see what happens on Ripple cryptocurrency. If you like this video and how I do things, well, click on the bell icon and like button and subscribe to my channel. You will be updated with many more cryptocurrencies in the near term. Have a great day.